Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can boost a server on Discord. So you first have to subscribe to Discord Nitro. I've already done that, and I'm going to go to server. I'm going to boost this server. I'm going to press on this arrow, and I'm going to press server boost. Then I'm just going to click boost this server, and I'm going to press boost. This will pop up ready to boost the server. Boosting the server will prevent transferring this boost to another server for 7 days. I'm going to press boost, and that's it. I boosted the server. That's what I meant. Boost success. You just boosted server one time. Press nice, and I have one more boost, so I'm going to do that again. Boost the server and press boost. Nice. And here are the level 1 perks, level 2 perks, and level 3 perks. This needs only 2 boosts. This needs 7 boosts, and this needs 14 boosts. And here's the sort of perks, like what it includes. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!